Hi, sir. Good morning. So today I'll be doing a market review, May 12. And before I start, let me just read Luke 14, verse 11. For all those who exalt themselves will be humbled, and those who humble themselves will be exalted. Amen. So May 12. It's 6:15 a.m. in Manila or Manila time. Let's start. AUD CAD sell price below the trend lines. So we place an order. SL on the red line. And AJ sell price below the trend lines. SL on the red line. Oops. There we go. EU sell. Okay, price below. SL on the red line. EA buy. EA buy, price above. SL on the green line. EG buy, price above. SL on the green line. There. EN buy, price above. Alright, SL on the green line. Oops. And EU sell, price below. SL on the red line. $6. GC sell, price below. Enter, SL on the red line. Another $6. GC, NC sell. Price in between, so no trade. NU sell. Oh, NJ. NC, NJ sell. NJ sell, price below. They enter. SL on the red line. $797. NU sell. Where is the line? Oh, it's in the middle, no trade. UCUJ buy. CUJ, both prices are inside the trend line, so no trades. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total of 9 trades. I'll do an update later. That's it for now. Thank you, sir. Have a great morning and God bless. Hello, sir. So this is just a follow-up on my market review earlier. Today is May 12. So this is now my history. I placed my positions around 6:30 a.m. Manila time. I've closed most of them, or all of them, after lunch. I think around 3:30, 3:15, somewhere there. So let's just check a couple of trades. They're all positive, by the way. It's a great day today. Almost 6%. Yeah, almost 6% today. So let's just check a few of them. AUD CAD. I entered at 90.14, somewhere here. First, I think this was first candle. 90.14. I exited 89.64. 89.64. So somewhere here. So that's maybe half of the whole move today. But still, it's a win. Let's check AJ. I got $8 on AJ. 90.20. 90.20. That's somewhere here. And then I close at 89.125. 89.125 is somewhere here. There. So this is less than half. But gaining less than half is better than losing. Let's check. EN. So this is a good one. EN. I entered 167.12. That's somewhere here on 67.12. Somewhere here. It's a long close at 68.31. 68.31 there. Very nice. And then a couple of candles later, it went down. Then trend lines reverses. So that was a very good entry and exit. Thanks to the signals, of course. Let's check NJ or EA. Let's check EA. Got another $8 on EA. And my screen is not moving. Hey. There you go. EA is here. EA long, I entered at 51.51. So here. Then close at 52.70. 51.51. 52.70. There again, top of the mountain. Very good entry and exit. Yeah, then let's just do, I don't think I need to go through all of them. We all know how awesome is the result is. But I just want to check this one. So because of the adjustments on the SL placing, as we can see here, the drawdown is just getting better. It's going down every day. So I did my second session May 7th. So May 7th. So after this, and then 9, 10, 11. So this drawdown is improving. So if drawdown is improving, that means risk management is getting better. So awesome. That's it, sir. Just want to give an update on my trades today, May 12th, Thursday. So I probably won't be trading tomorrow. We'll see. I'll check the signals and the charts. All right. Thank you, sir. Have a good night and God bless.